In the first step, we will be marking the size of our sun cases. I will be using my trousers because I want this to be an upcycle project. So you need to check that you have the trousers that you can put your string through. And I will be also using where it is sewn. These are actually one of my old trousers that I'm not wearing anymore. But I really like the material because it's natural linen and it was very good for wearing. This project will be faster if you have your old boring sun case baggy, so I will be using it because it fits my sunglasses perfect. For drawing the line, I will be using a erasable gel pen. This pen is very good because if you need to remove it, you just hit it with a blow dryer and it disappears. And for this project, this is perfect. So here we will be marking the lines, how big we need it to be. Like this. And I will be also using a ruler to draw the lines. We need to keep in mind that in the end we will be sewing this sun case together, so I will be adding an extra centimeter on each side for sewing. So I will just draw with a ruler again 1 centimeter. I usually make at least 3 dots so I can connect them together, and I am also sure that these lines are then really straight. And we need to repeat the process on the upside corner, and in the next step we will be cutting out our pattern.